Hexagon's open innovation platform, Sixth Sense, brings scaling startups and world-class companies together to share resources, data, and ideas to accelerate progress and solve real-world problems. We are inviting proposals from scaling startups around specific challenges based on the pressing demands our customers are facing. In return, you will get access to our technology, world-leading data, and global network. We will publish challenges throughout the year, focused on areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning to sustainable manufacturing, machine vision, and robotics. If you have an advanced, sustainable solution, we want to hear from you with a proposal that shows how you can meet the challenge. The most innovative applications will be invited to present to a panel of global experts during our live pitch events. The winning pitches will be chosen to join an intensive Innovate on the Job scaling program. Our Open Innovation Program consists of 3 stages. Stage 1, proof of technology or product. Stage 2, proof of value and business model. Stage 3, demo at a global live event. Startups will pitch the result of their 3-stage process at a live event in front of a wide range of experts. Winning pitches could receive funding, joint venture agreements, distribution access, or access to investment opportunities. Join us and be part of an open innovation platform that is shaping the future, imagining and enabling a world we can't see yet, giving all of us a sixth sense of what comes next.